Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Aaron with Thrive Outdoor Solutions. We've got a little bit of a swamp going on here. Had a mainline leak. Looks like I've already found the issue, thankfully. Looks like they've been having a problem with the main line, a bell coupling or a bell end of the pipe. So we're gonna get after it, get it repaired, but I'll bring you guys along. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, so that does it for this property. Again, a lot of fun with pipe repairs, gotta love them. Yeah, I mean, obviously it was a little bit of a doozy with the four pipes in total, 3 laterals, 1 main, but we got her knocked out. Got a little bit dirty today, a little bit of glue on the hands, but it's all part of the show. With that being said, if you hadn't already done it, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Like this video so we can continue to bring more content. If you get a chance, you got something that you want us to make a video about, put it in the comments, let us know what you think. With that being said, you guys made a great day. Thank you.